Hi children, uh, Rao's Academy near KPHP Metro. So NEET crash course 2024. NEET 2024, whoever is preparing, either 12th appearing or 12th pass students, it is specially designed for them. Subjects covered botany, zoology, physics and chemistry. Okay. Course description available in classroom mode. Batch starting from 15th March 2024. End date 2 days prior to NEET 2024. Teaching hours 175 plus hours. So, what are the highlights of the crash course? So, expert final 175 plus hours revision, coaching from highly qualified expert teachers, crash course study material, printed material will be available. Prepare you as per the actual NEET exam atmosphere through a series of NEET pattern tests. Tests include part test, full syllabus test, pre-NEET test, etc. 14 to 16 tests will be conducted. Help aspirants to score their best possible marks in the last few days. So, benefits, what are the benefits from NEET 2024 crash course? Better time management, face to face classroom sessions, healthy peer competition, specially crafted study material, on the spot doubt clearance. So, comprehensive NEET preparatory crash course is available and special curriculum and study plan. So, in the limited preparation time, fully prepared for NEET 2024. So, students will benefit from this course. So, if you are interested, you can contact this number. With the details will be available with this number. Okay, so the course starts from 15th March 2024 after the board examination is finished. Okay, till May 5th is the 2024 exam. Till 2nd of May, the coaching will be available. Okay, so benefit is actual preparation according to the NTA methodology and NCRT and NEET methodology. Okay. So for details, please contact this number. Okay. Rao's Academy once again. It is KPHB Metro near classroom course, crash course, NEET crash course in classroom mode. Okay. Thank you. Looking forward to you. Bye. See you.